Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Wellgler Retainer Case. For those of you that have followed my channel for a while, you may recall that about last year I was doing a lot of content regarding my Invisalign journey and having Invisalign. That series of videos fell by the wayside, but since then I've been continuing with Invisalign and actually had to start another series of 30 more aligners. And recently I lost my retainer case, or my Invisalign case, and so I went on Amazon and purchased a replacement with this brand. So these are going to be the Wellgler solid retainer cases. You can get a pack of 2 for about $6, which is much cheaper than the traditional Invisalign case, which I think you can get for about $10 through their app. And so real quickly, we'll just open what's in the box, show you what this retainer case looks like, and give you a general sense of how this is compared to the original Invisalign case. Alright, so this is the box for the Wellgler retainer case. I purchased this about a week ago for $6 for a pack of 2. We're just going to open the box and show you what comes in the case, or in the box. Comes in the box, I guess. So in the box, you're gonna have 2 separate retainer cases. I ended up purchasing the black ones. They do have several color options. They have like a light blue, a pink, and then a this black. And then they also have several designs, which one has a mirror versus one does not have a mirror. Really, it's your personal preference. These 2 cases should be identical. So we'll just take a look at it up close. So if you can't see on the camera, on the top of the case is this like shamrock or clover leaf design. I guess that's the branding that they provided. That's on the top there. On the bottom it has some grooves for traction, otherwise that's it. And then in general it's like a plastic, like a flat matte plastic design as far as the case. We'll open it up. And this is what the inside looks like. So on the bottom here is rubber with so that is actually a rubber material. It's like not as thick as the original Invisalign case, but there is a slight rubberish texture to it. But it's not really, actually it's like a plastic, to be honest. It felt like rubbery, but it's actually a plastic. So this is a plastic case with like a kind of wavy pattern on the bottom. And on the top, again, they have this shamrock design. As far as closing, it's very similar to the Invisalign case. I'll say that the plastic does feel a little bit thinner and cheaper compared to the Invisalign, original Invisalign case that you get with your Invisalign. But it looks like it's very similar as far as the design and construction. I'm gonna just take out my Invisalign and throw it in here to give you a general sense of whether this fits or not. So that's the Invisalign. We'll see if you have issues closing it. Even with the original case, I found that with the Invisalign case that they give you, sometimes you have to manipulate your Invisalign to get it to fit appropriately. So that's what you still have to do with this. So that's the case. Basically, my Invisalign's in there. It is closed. It looks like there is a magnetic seal here. So there's a magnet on the top and the side here. So it's something that, as long as you align your aligners right and get them so they're not overlapping on the edges or too like pronounced, you should be able to fit this. But it's very, very similar to the original Invisalign case. I'll say that the plastic is a little bit thinner as far as the overall build and a little bit cheaper material. But for, I guess this would be, so if this was $6, you're looking at $3 each compared to like $10 on the Invisalign website or through their app. So you're saving roughly $7 for getting 2 of these cases as compared to going through their app. So to be honest, for what it is, for the purpose and things like that, I think it serves the purpose of protecting your Invisalign, having a case that you can carry with you. It is very light. It's something that is similar design to the original. It can fit in your pocket easily. So this is definitely an affordable alternative. My original Invisalign case actually broke on the top here, where one of the pieces of the like came free here and it wouldn't slide, and the like the clasp mechanism came apart. So I got rid of that a while ago and went with a straight retainer case from my orthodontist, which was free. So I haven't used the Invisalign type case for a while, but this is definitely a replacement, and having two is useful just to have on hand in case you ever lose one. So that's all. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will leave a link in the description below for where you can find this on Amazon. Otherwise, I think it's pretty straightforward, and hopefully this is helpful for those of you with Invisalign or retainers to give you a sense of how this product performs.